Hi, I'm Russell.
And I'm David, and we're here at 148 East 24th Street, a doorman condo right where Gramercy, Flatiron, and Kips Bay all connect.
Apartment 2A is the only apartment on the second floor, so when you step off the elevator, the entire floor is yours.
This is one of the largest one-bedrooms in the entire building, with real living, dining, and work-from-home space. This open, modern kitchen is perfect for entertaining.
And the primary bedroom easily fits a king bed with plenty of room to spare. Just steps outside your door is this gym, which feels like an extension of your home. There's literally no excuse not to get a workout in, even if it's between work calls.
We have central air, it's the only one in the building that has it, and a large bonus room off of the primary closet with a lot of additional storage. You're gonna have to see it to believe it. If you're interested in learning more or seeing this great condo for yourself, please reach out to me or Russell. We are the Rosen team at Sirhan, and we are the key.